Hey there, welcome to the Garage Dad channel. I'm Dave, and for this video I'm going to show you how to apply your nano diamond coating for your wheels from Diamond ProTech. Now before we get into the process, I just want to quickly show what kind of extra things we ended up using to be able to do this whole procedure. First off, extra towels. You want to be able to have towels for drying and also for wiping off the prep spray off your wheels to get them ready. Then of course you want a clay bar to be able to clay off your wheels. Iron decon to take off any sort of iron deposits that are stuck on there. Wheel brush, or you can use just a regular wash mitt, whatever you prefer. And as far as my wheel cleaning solution, I just use Brake Buster with a foam cannon, undiluted. I just fill it straight up with it and just spray the wheels. To get things started, we lift the entire vehicle and place it on jack stands. This way it makes our process more efficient. Make sure all your jack stands are nice and secure, then continue on to removing the wheels. Now to begin the wash process, we begin by foaming down the wheels with the wheel cleaner. In addition, we also place the wheels in the exact same position that they came off the car. This helps us keep track of what wheels go where whenever we finish. After letting the foam settle in, we start by brushing off the wheels, making sure we get every nook and cranny. Once you have finished foaming and brushing everything down, make sure you give it a good rinse. One extra step that we took, there were some really stubborn particles on the wheels, so we ended up using a plastic scraper. Next, you want to spray down your wheels with the iron decon. After allowing the iron decon to dwell on your wheels, make sure you spray them off thoroughly. After rinsing off your wheels, take your time and dry the wheels off completely, making sure that there is no water on the surface. Once you have completed drying your wheels, we can now move on to the coating. The kit comes with a set of gloves, prep spray, the coating itself, microfiber applicator, and a towel to remove the excess coating. First, we begin by spraying down the wheels with the body prep spray. This step allows us to remove any sort of residues left behind by the washing stage. Don't forget, safety first, make sure you're in a well-ventilated area and put on your gloves. Before using the coating, shake it for 15 seconds, then apply 8 to 10 drops to the microfiber applicator. As you can see, while I'm applying the coating, I'm actually using the edges of the sponge, one for each wheel. After coating the wheel completely, wait 5 minutes before removing the excess. Finally, wait an hour before you start driving. And there you go. As you can see, that process was pretty simple. Biggest thing you have to remember when doing any sort of coating on your vehicle is taking your time during the prep stage, as that will give you the best results and durability for your application. Now, this was my first time using anything from Diamond ProTech. I really like it. One of the biggest things that I saw differently compared to something I've used in the past is the smell of the coating itself. It wasn't nearly as strong and didn't bother me, so that was a nice touch. And overall, we'll see how it holds up. Thank you for watching my video, and shout out to my friend for providing his car and the product itself to be able to record. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.